Hi, I'm Carrie Murphy, and I am so glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the 5 secrets to creating do-it-yourself videos that sell. And if you're one of those people who thinks about using video and you get a little uneasy, you're going to love this because these 5 simple tips are going to help you authentically show up in a way that reaches through the lens and grabs the heart of your ideal client. So make sure you download the PDF so you can follow along and take some notes. So the first tip, and the most important, is to narrow your audience to one. And I know you might be thinking, how do I do that, Carrie? Because I work with more than just one type of person. Now listen, I have worked with hundreds of entrepreneurs and I get the struggle. You want to work with anyone that pretty much can take out a credit card. But that is not going to be what allows you to connect on camera. Through that camera lens, there's only 2 eyes that are watching you at one time. So part of the fear of actually getting out on video is thinking that you're speaking to millions. And even if your video does go viral and gets millions of views, which would be awesome, the videos that really connect and convert are the videos that are truly speaking to the one person who needs you most. So I want you to think of that ideal client. I want you to think of that one person who needs your product and service right now and speak to them. Tip number 2 is get over your fear of being perfect, because there's no such thing. And actually, I'm always telling people the P in perfection stands for poison. When you're worried so much about what you say and how you say it, you cannot actually connect authentically, right? You can't be thinking about what you're going to say while speaking authentically at the same time. Try it. You can't. So get your bullet points down, know the message that you really want to get across, and then let go around trying to be perfect. And remember, video is not about you. It's about the people who need you. And the greatest way to get someone who's watching you to take action, which is what we want in our videos, right? We want them to take action, is by starting with the why. We don't care about you until we know that you can help us. And I see so many people starting their videos with stories about them or talking about their background, which is all great and good. But again, no one cares about you. They just want to know that you can help them solve a pain or step into a possibility. So when you're shooting do-it-yourself videos and you want to actually enroll someone into what you're talking about, come from that place of service, not selling, right? You're just there to serve and to help someone get a result that you know you can give them. So start with the why. Why do they want to watch your video? And if you go back to the opt-in video that got you to watch this one, I actually started with the why. So go back and address a question, a pain, or a possibility that your ideal client needs. All right, the next big tip, and one that I know is going to help you so much, is that at the end of your videos, you want to make sure that you have a call to action. That's right. People won't often do anything after watching a video, even if they love it, because you haven't told them to do anything. So if you want to enroll them, you want them to take the next step, you have to be very clear and tell them what it is. Remember, a confused mind will never buy. So you want to make it really simple for them to take the next step. So make sure there's a call to action. And the last tip is make sure that you have the right equipment. I know shooting do-it-yourself videos can seem very overwhelming. What do you use? How do you get started? And the great thing is with smartphones these days, it's easy, right? Anyone can shoot a video, but there are a few things that you need that you'll see in the download that will help you out. But the first one is lighting. You want to make sure you have great lighting. And you can even just use a window at home if you have great, natural light. That can look beautiful. But if not, you want to have some lighting that makes you look fantastic. And the second thing that you're going to want to make sure you have is an external microphone. So you want a microphone that's going to connect to your camera or your iPhone. I would not depend on the built-in microphones. And again, I'm going to list here for you a few options to make it nice and easy. So those are my 5 tips to helping you create successful do-it-yourself videos that sell in a way that feels good, that makes you look good, and that inspires people. Because when you are inspired, you inspire others. So here's what I want you to do. Next step, right? Take the video assessment click here and you can actually download it right now and fill it out so you can see how you're using video, where you need to use it, and we can give you some great input on how you can actually use video to instantly grow your business and income. And when you fill it out, it won't take more than a few minutes. I have another free gift for you. So here we go. Get started, and I look forward to seeing you soon.